think it's Santa.
Their coach is in the yard.
Who is that?
Is that Santa Claus?
Jack. Jack, look.
Hello, Jack.
It's Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, nice.
It's Santa Claus.
Santa's here.
Look what he got you.
Look what I brought for you.
Wow.
Wow.
What is that?
What's that? Is that a house?
This is for
It's
you,
all
Jack.
house for
It's
you,
all for
Jack.
you.
Look.
Come see.
You give hugs?
Come see it.
No.
It's okay. You can come see it. It's all yours.
It's yours.
Come see.
Look, it's got a little door.
Oh
It's
my
a
goodness.
door. And it's got a little balcony. And it's got stairs.
That is a spiffy house. Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Can you say thank you,
Thank
Santa?
you, Santa.
You're
You say
welcome.
thank you, Santa.
Can we take a quick picture with